You may have seen me install and unbox this right here. But today, we're going to install this one. This is a Rachio 3. Come on, let's take a look and get it installed. When Rachio first approached me with version 3, I'm thinking, man, there's no way they can improve on version 2. It was pretty good. I'll leave a link to that video in these notes below. You should really take a look at the install. So when this one arrived, this has a 5.8 gigahertz radio in it. So this radio here, this dual radio is 2.4 and 5.8, but it also has a new long range radio, and it'll connect with its first ever residential wireless flow meter. So I'm really anxious to see what that's all about. But right now, we're gonna just install and take a look at the version 3. So let's get it out of the box. So right off the bat, you can tell it's different. I mean, this is way different. It's got all the zones right here as an indicator up front. I need to get it out of the box, but this is, again, the external button. Version 1, when it moved to version 2, it gave you an external button. It gave you more room to install the wires. Let's take a look at this. And I gotta tell you, version 2 has been a fantastic, fantastic box for me. And this is only going to improve on that. So let's get this apart real quick. You know it comes apart, right? Oh, that was, wow. That was super simple. I gotta admit, even the Rachio 2 was a little daunting for me to get it apart, and this is just a magnet. So the light, the LED system is right here, and it's got magnets right there. That's pretty slick. This is the first time I'm seeing this. So here we go. This is easy. There's a lot more room for wiring here. Every year they kind of improve the landing spot for wiring. There's a lot more room to do that. So you can push this down and slide the wires in, or you can simply just slide the wires up. So this should be really easy to get on the wall. Right here, right here, right here. Looks like here's the wireless to pair it from outside if you want to do that. So let's look, what else do we have here in the box? Oh, there was power in right there. Or I missed. Can you see that right there? Power in. Okay. Okay. What else do we have? We have the Let's Get Started book. The install that I did on the Gen 2 was super simple. I can't imagine it getting any more complicated. It also supports wired sensors, rain sensors. It has the obligatory mounting hardware, right? The power plug. I wonder if it's compatible with Gen 2. I wouldn't have to unwire that. That'd be kind of neat. Well, I guess it doesn't hurt to have a new power supply. That's it. Nothing else in the box. There's no, I'm really interested in this, this system to shut down the flow. So what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to be able to sense like tons of extra flow through the system, like maybe someone ran over a sprinkler head or something and it's just flowing like mad and drowning the street. It's supposed to be able to shut that off. So that is going to be coming down the road. So what's new? We've got brand new hardware. We've got a much easier cover design to get in and out for wiring. The wiring area is much bigger. It's going to make for an easier install. We've also got a brand new 5 gigahertz radio that's going to extend the range and the throughput of the Rachio 3. It's compatible with Nest, Google Home, Alexa, If This Then That, Alarm.com, SmartThings, Control 4, Crestron. There's probably some more that I missed. It's going to have a new wireless sensor and flow control. So if you do have a leak somewhere, it's going to be able to shut that down and notify you. But right now, I think that we should go get this on the wall, right? Let's go install this.
Okay, I don't think we're going to be watering today.
Alright, well that's a bummer. Mother Nature is kind of dictating that we do not water our grass outside. It's a little early, but that gives you plenty of time to plan your install of the Rachio 3. The app is fantastic. It's a real easy setup, and I'm going to get this on the wall. Stay tuned to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, ring the bell, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Then, when I release the install and the test of this device on a new video, you'll be able to see that. And I still can't get over this. This is cool. All right, see ya.